one product and one brush so far. Welcome to this week's episode of Lucky Dip. I'm just gonna give you a hint. I'm gonna use a chocolate bar to create this.
Ouch!
I've got one product today. There's usually 5. Today we've got 1. So this is the Rimmel London Multi-Tasker Wake Me Up Concealer and Foundation. It has a cooling wand. It's medium coverage with vitamin C and caffeine. This is the color Mocha. So this is quite dark. So I wonder if, let's do one product for the whole face and see how we go. I actually am gonna add some freckles. I think I've got a really cute idea. Get a brush. I'm gonna just press that brush onto my hand because I really just wanna evenly coat the brush before I put it on my face. And I'm gonna put this not necessarily under my cheekbone because as you can see, I don't have any blush. I'm gonna put this on my cheekbone, bring this up because I just wanna give my face some depth. Think cheekbone. I'm gonna do the side of my face. Keep blending, 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 blending is key today. Sometimes 1 or 2 products is all you need. I'm going to use this brush, but I'm gonna squeeze it. So it's thinner, just give it a squeeze. And lightly go down the sides of my nose here. And on the end of my nose, I'm just going to contour my nose down the sides. Keep in mind, I haven't changed my brush. It's all the same brush. I'm going to go back and forth very lightly on my eyelid. See, so it gives the eyes more depth as well. I'm not going like necessarily a smoky eye look. It's really just a beautiful balance. You're basically contouring your eyes. You're still getting that lift. You're still getting that bronze, lovely balance on the skin. And you're one product and one brush so far. So this is going to be a little funny. Okay, I'm going to use a chocolate. This is a pack of 12. That I was given for free at the petrol station on my way in to the office. I don't know why it was free. I bought petrol and a water bottle and they gave me this. And I'm going to use the jagged edge here. And I'm going to really hope this works because I'm going to use this to make freckles. Okay, I'm going to do 2 techniques. I'm going to do one where I put that on my hand and then use my finger, I think. And then I'm going to do one where I put this straight onto my face. It's kind of... It kind of works. Okay, let's try this again. Tap, tap, and then get my finger, a clean finger, and just press it. That's actually not too bad. Okay, now I'm gonna do a different technique because this is insane. I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to then press that onto my cheek, which might be a little bit of a better technique. Let's see. You know what? I actually prefer just putting the wrapping paper on my face. Oh my God, okay. This side worked, but then this side looks like a mini baby shark just took a little, it's like baby shark teeth marks because it's at a curve. And then I do a little press. The reason why I press is I feel like it just fades it enough so that it actually looks like a freckle. My issue was I was doing the whole line. You got to do just the edge. So you've got like maybe 3 or 4 of the little jagged pieces there. And then you dip it in and then you're going to have more control and then you give yourself the freckles. I actually can't believe that worked. I can't believe that actually worked. Like that is insane. That actually worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. 1 makeup product, 1 bar of chocolate, and what looks like a very cheap makeup brush that was just used for display purposes. It worked.